Today's topic is brush for cleaning humidifier tank. 6 best brush for cleaning humidifier tank. Number 1. ProTech Humidifier Cleaning Ball. The ProTech Humidifier Cleaning Ball is an easy-to-use, one-step solution to clean your humidifier. It also helps prevent future growth by releasing a natural antimicrobial agent into the water. Number 2. Alink Bottle Cleaning Brush Set. The Alink Bottle Cleaning Brush Set is the best way to clean your bottles. The set includes a long-handle bottle cleaner for washing narrow wine, beer, and soda bottles. Number 3. Anyhow 12-pack Humidifier Cleaner. Anyhow 12-pack Humidifier Cleaner is a universal humidifier tank cleaner stick that cleans and removes hard water deposits from your warm or cool mist humidifiers. Number 4. Cooling Bottle Cleaning Brush. The Cooling Bottle Cleaning Brush is a multifunctional tool that can be used to clean decanters, glasses, cups, and any other drinking vessels. Number 5. Sakadu Universal Humidifier Cleaner. The Sakadu Universal Humidifier Cleaner is a 4-piece set that helps prevent hard water buildup, filters mineral deposits, and purifies the water in your humidifier. Number 6. Bottle Brush Cleaner 5-pack. The Turbo Microfiber Bottle Cleaner set is the perfect tool to clean baby bottles, water bottles, straws, tumblers, and wine decanters. The microfibers will not scratch or damage any surface. A humidifier tank brush is essential in keeping your home's air clean and comfortable. Regular cleaning with the right tool removes dirt, mold. Thanks for watching this video.